So here's how we get around the really bad rejections. And I'm not talking about the ones where like, no thanks. It's the ones where they rip you apart and they lay into you for getting in touch with them and they have a real problem with you. It was totally the wrong day to get in touch. And you know deep down it wasn't you. It was just you caught them on a bad day that had a load of stuff happening and you're going to be the punch bag this time. Here's the thing you've got to remember is that there's about one of those every 50, okay? If you're calling and contacting non-stop and all the time, if you're going to be doing that style of sales, you're going to be getting these. But here's the thing, when you remove that one, you have 49 who aren't like that. The human brain is designed to focus on the one that was horrible and hellish and not the 49 that weren't like that. Remind yourself that only one of them was bad and the rest were really solid, or at the very least were a lot less horrible than that. So you got one person, you caught them on the wrong day, but overwhelmingly the majority of the people really were cool with your approach. Check these videos out. There's so much more you can be doing. The little changes make a massive difference.